1956 McDonald Chapel tornado. The 1956 McDonald Chapel tornado was a deadly weather event that took place during the afternoon of April 15, 1956, across the Greater Birmingham area in Jefferson County, Alabama, with damage most severe in McDonald Chapel. Retroactively rated an F4 on the Fujita scale, which was not invented until 1971, the tornado killed 25 people and injured 200 others. While only two known tornadoes touched down across the southeastern United States, the other occurred in northern Georgia on that day. The Birmingham tornado produced major devastation across areas west and north of downtown Birmingham. Meteorological synopsis. At 5:15 a.m. CST on April 15, the U.S. Weather Bureau office in Birmingham, Alabama, issued a bulletin that warned of the possibility. An update at noon local time highlighted the prospects for severe thunderstorms over west-central Alabama between 1:07 p.m. CST. Hail and gusts to 60 miles per hour 97 km/h were expected to remain the primary hazards. Tornado table. Confirmed tornadoes. April 14, April 15. McDonald Chapel / Sayreton, Alabama. The tornado started shortly before 3:00 p.m. CDT in Pleasant Grove, where a tornado roar was heard. Damage between Pleasant Grove and McDonald Chapel indicated that trees were felled in a single direction, so the damage was not listed as tornadic at first, but was considered part of the tornado in posthumous analysis. Next, the tornado struck McDonald Chapel with a path 200 yards 183 m wide, devastating the community. Almost total destruction occurred in a swath 150-200 yards 137-183 m wide. As it passed through McDonald Chapel, eyewitnesses described the tornado funnel as appearing filled with fire and smoke. Many homes in McDonald Chapel were leveled, several of which were swept completely away. The most intense damage appeared to be F5 in intensity, but an F4 rating was rewarded because the homes were very poorly constructed. One of the homes reportedly had almost all of its brick foundation swept away, and a few larger homes were also leveled. The tornado continued across parts of Edgewater, Pratt City, Fultondale, Village Creek, and Tarrant before lifting northwest of Trussville, near the Jefferson-St. Clair County line. The tornado passed just 1 to 2 miles north of downtown Birmingham, as well as the Birmingham Shuttlesworth International Airport. About 400 homes across northern Jefferson County were either damaged or destroyed. Most of the 25 deaths occurred at McDonald Chapel. The tornado event was similar to other deadly tornadoes on April 4, 1977, April 8, 1998, and April 27, 2011. The 1977 and 1998 tornadoes were rated F5 and killed 22 and 32 people, respectively, across most of the same areas that were hit in 1956. The 2011 event was rated high NDF4 and killed 20 people in the area along with 44 others in Tuscaloosa earlier along its path. With 25 fatalities, the McDonald Chapel F4 was the deadliest tornado of 1956, surpassing the Grand Rapids F5 that killed 18 people on April 3.